Vowel length, or the distinction between long and short vowels, is a really important aspect of English pronunciation. The word fill has a short vowel and feel has a long vowel, meaning that the vowel is a longer duration when you say it. You can use the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, to understand which vowel sounds are long and which are short. Long vowel sounds have two small triangular dots after the phonetic symbol, like this. In the word feel, the vowel sound is E. For short vowel sounds, the IPA symbol has no triangular dots. For example, the I in fill, I, that's a short vowel sound. Now, it's difficult to hear the difference in length between vowel sounds, so to practice saying these sounds correctly, let's focus instead on the mouth positions. For fill, your mouth will be relaxed as the I sound is made in the centre of the mouth with the tongue in a relaxed or neutral position. For feel, the front of your tongue will be raised up inside your mouth and your lips will be open and stretched a bit wider. To feel the difference saying these words, let's have a go at these word sequences which alternate between the I and E sounds. So can you feel your tongue and your lips moving as you switch from one vowel sound to the other? And if you look in the mirror or if you video yourself, can you see the difference in mouth shape when you move between one word and the next? Let's have a go. Sit, seat, sit, seat. Fill, feel, fill, feel. Let me know how you get on in the comments.